Hello all. Today we will discuss about what is computer and history of computers. Now let's get started. So computer is an electronic device that processes data according to the set of instructions called program. So program is nothing but a set of instructions that we will give to a computer to perform a task. So that is called program. So computer operates on a program because computers can understand only zeros and ones. But when we write zeros and ones, that will be a tedious task. So there comes a programming languages. So in that we have coded it in C, C++, Java. So that is called set of instructions. So these set of instructions are called programs. So it can perform a computer can perform wide range of tasks from basic calculations to complex works from various applications in science, business, education, and entertainment. So when we use computer, we can play movies and we can play songs and we can code in some other language and we can do so many tasks with the help of computer. So now let's see the history of computers. So the father of computers is Charles Babbage. When we see the history of computers, earlier we have mechanical devices that is called abacus and mechanical calculators. So abacus is one of the earliest tools for calculation. So the term computer is known as compute. The term computer is come from compute English word. So basically a device which can perform computations is called a computer, but computer can have a storage capability and processing capability. So earlier we have only mechanical calculators. So devices like Pascaline. This Pascaline is invented by Blaise Pascal in the year 1642, and later Charles Babbage is invented analytical engine of a computer. So that is the first design for the general purpose computer. So it used concepts like arithmetic logical unit, control flow through conditional branching and memory. So Charles Babbage is considered as a father of computers. Now when it comes to first generation of computers in the period 1940 to 1950, in this generation vacuum tubes are used in these computers. Used in the there is a computer called ENIAC. The abbreviation is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, which was developed in 1940. It is considered as the first electric general purpose computer, which was introduced in 1940 to 1950 period. So generally vacuum tubes are very large. So the computers will be a room size like machines. Now when it comes to second generation of computers, that is in the period 1950 to 1960, in that we have used transistors. The invention of transistors revolutionized computers, making them so smaller when compared to vacuum tubes. When compared to vacuum tubes, transistors make computers very smaller, but when you compare to present generation of computers, that is still big. So that after that, third generation of computers came into existence in the period 1960 to 1970, in which we have used integrated circuits. So integrated circuits allowed for the miniaturization of electronic components. So in this era, the computers are very small when compared to transistors and vacuum tubes. So computers are compact in size in this period, 1960 to 1970. That is called third generation of computers. So when it comes to fourth generation of computers, that means 1970 to the present generation, we have used VLSI. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integrated Circuits. So here IBM computers or Windows computers came to existence. So companies like Apple, IBM PC popularized home and office computing. So in this general purpose computers came into existence. Now we are in the fifth generation of computers, that is called ULSI, that is called ultra large scale integration, in which the computers are more compact in nature, and the integration of artificial intelligence is also happening in this present generation of computers. So that's it for this computer and generation of computer, and in the upcoming